Here's Henry in the bumbo chair. Holding his rattle, shaking it. Getting a lot better at holding his head up in here. Aren't you, buddy? Can you smile or talk? Not when the camera's out, huh? What do you think? What are you doing? Henry, what are you doing? You playing? Henry, that one. Hi. Can you smile? Good job. Oh! There it goes. Mika's gonna come check things out. There it goes. Oh! Do you want this one? Try this one. Try that one. He's watching Mika. There she goes. Can you hold any of those other toys? Good job holding your head up, buddy. Yeah. Getting so big. Yeah? Okay, say bye. Henry, say bye.